Okay, now we back again to our poster here. So let's go through to the what we have in the poster. Take a look at the abstract first. The social media enriches the language learning experience by allowing learners to connect and interact in exciting ways and through the target language. They work collaboratively to enhance their linguistic and pragmatic proficiency. Social media platforms such as Instagram provide a platform where users can interact and exchange ideas. Instagogy specifically looks at the current andragogical practices that are linked to social networking communities by integrating social media language learning at tertiary level. So there are two most important objectives of using Instagogy. So the Instagogy is already the name of Instagogy is already a patent copyrighted, and the objective here, Instagogy use Instagram as Web 2.0 mobile based app or website and employ ICC's scaffolding alignment model to develop and enrich learners' language proficiency. It helps learners to create a meaningful foreign language learning in written and spoken German in their daily communication, and of course to motivate learning, a collaborative learning experience amongst the learners. And they provide easy access and flexibility learning via mobile apps. So the conceptual framework, the Instagogy, we combine three elements here as adult learner as an andragogy, how adults use this Instagram as a platform, and we combine with the social media cybergogy and how they can improve their language proficiency. So this theoretical framework comes from the social learning theory from Vygotsky and from Dunblit 2008 language learning. So Instagogy provides a new language learning experience through power of social networking and collaboration. The learning design using Instagram or Instagogy primarily focus on transforming learners from zero to hero. So by using this Instagram, we can look how they are using like a daily routine, but the profit of social networking can be benefit as interaction through and sharing media, caption worldwide, and they can learning authentically meaningful feedback from native speakers who are away 1,000 miles from the learners. So in this case, the language that we are trying to adapt with this innovation is a German language. So imagine that the students can interact with the Germans via social network online, and they can profit and give meaningful feedback. So how this Instagogy work? We are creating the DICC scaffolding model. First one, we're designing the structure of the course. What kind of learning output that we want to emphasize? Is it we have 4 language skills: reading, learning, listening, writing, and speaking. So this is where we decide what kind of social language skills that we want to improvise, and we go more aligned to individual. So it means that everyone can participate by using their own Instagram account, and after a few hours or a few interaction in the Instagram, where they pass a certain level of communication proficiency, we encourage the student to collaborative alignment to collaborate with the other native speaker in German. So, and this third step, they are going worldwide or global to a network's friends. And at the top of this DICC scaffolding model, we hope that by the end of using Instagogy, they can contribute to community and how they can use the language, the German language, to give a meaningful communication between the student and the global market. So let's look again at the result here. So Instagogy actually is a kit, a teaching kit that we try to. Instagogy actually we were trying to create a teaching kit where this teaching kit that we are built by our own DICC scaffolding model can be used not only for the German language, and our target, this method or the language learning strategy can be implied or can be adapted to other languages. We can use as in Korean or Spain or other foreign language. So the study of using Instagogy actually way back in 2018, but we don't have enough data because it's a pilot test. We are using in UMP since 2019, 20 and 21. So the overall interaction of the student using Instagogy or Instagram and the pedagogy by our DICC scaffolding models. So we have 2,355 engagement and increasing in 2020, and this is of course catalyzed of the pandemic COVID-19, which make learning 100% via online. So we can see the numbers is increasing here, 2,986, and the last year 2021 again the number increases, 3,140. So this is the five part of using Instagogy. So in speaking, reading, writing and listening. And we have one more column here, is what we call as a sharing. So they are sharing their content of Instagram, which is not actually a language skill, but sharing a content can help the student to read or to give the message to their friends or to contribute to the more collaborative alignment. So in 2019, speaking is only 17, and we see the number is basically increasing for all of years. And we have in 2021, the number is going the most high engagement of the students. So let's take a look at how actually this Instagram used in the language. So what we have here in the screen is a website of Instagram that I use in a laptop, but it is also can be applied in the mobile apps of Instagram. So we have here the Instagogy names, Khairul Bari Samad, this is my name. So we have in Instagram, we use the hashtag. So the student can click or can type the hashtag Deutsch. Deutsch is mean German language. UMP. So by using this Deutsch UMP, as you can see here, we have total of 345 video from the students. So this is all the video. Let's see the top post here. This is about 155 weeks ago.
Zulfikri bin Azmi. Ich bin 24. Mein Geburtstag ist am 28. Februar.
So as you can see here, this is on the 2nd of February. The student that we see in the screen are the elective courses student. They are on the 6th week of the semester. It means that they have roughly 12 hours of German input in the class. And what we mean by the content of writing, you can see also here in the comment section, they are using German like Ich finde, das ist sehr gut. So this is what we consider as a writing also. And the best part that all the comments here is not only from the students who are also learning the language, but because it's using Instagram, it's global. So roughly, basically anyone can also comment. So we have here also one more from Dalilah at Good Gemma. Dalilah is not a German student, not from UMP, but it's a siblings of this guy, and by using Instagram, it helped also Dalilah try to find how to respond to this video by looking at the Google Translator or any other platform. So again, this is me. I give the encouragement to the student. This is how I look at the students' video, comment, and also we can straight away give the love here, show that we are encouraging the students. So this is also one of a speaking. And here we have one more. This is from 2018. We have a lot of interaction here, not only speaking, but they have a presentation about the dream house.
My dream house is ziemlich groß, mit einer Veranda vorne. Im Haus musste ich so.
Okay, so let's take a look at the recent, very recent students. So what we have here, the student of the foundation course in UMP, Pelajar Asasi. We also imply using Instagram for the and okay, and by means that the student can collaborate actively speaking with the German who are not student of UMP, of the other third person, authentic, when we are giving the task of, let's say, to involve in writing of any German popular topic like Fußball. So by using the hashtag, we can involve into reading text or listening audio from the German here. So as you can see, a lot of input authentically from the German, and this is very encouraging to the student to enjoy learning German and how we can transfer this authentic materials into learning by asking them to give a comment or give their thoughts in the any of the posts in the Instagram. Okay, we're going to take a look again. So what kind of activity that we can use using Instagogy? We can use as listening activity, like listen to the native speaker, listening to the songs, to the music, or using as a live between peer to peer, student to students. We can use also as a speaking activity. We can pronunciation drilling. We can use as storytelling, live journal, food review, reading comment, of course, or we can have a very small micro blogging and writing a comment, send a direct messages to the instructors, to me using Instagram, or reply comment or create quizzes. So this, if you can see, from total 12 weeks, the student going to grow the using of Instagram roughly at the very early of the semester, but they are using only individual alignment. After quite some time, where they have improved the German vocabulary, they can collaborate with the other partner by give a comments or replying to the comments or give some thoughts. And you can see the green line here where the students using Instagram involved in a community. Okay, that's it from us. This is our Instagogy. So what we hope here, we are already creating a modules from the DICC model that we have created by using this social learning theory from Vygotsky. So we are creating a module and we try to expand the module beyond the usage of the student or the teachers in UMP to the others language teachers or lecturers or any foreign language teachers around the world. So I believe that Instagogy can be a very good product of UMP, and we have right now a very good time and right time to use Instagram during the pandemic. This is one of the activities that loved by the student within the pandemics. Even though the motivation of the student during the pandemics is very demotivated, we can change this scenario by using something that close to the student, Instagram, to explore and to use to the learning language and to have a authentic meaning and benefit of feedback from the student itself. Thank you very much.